In this benchwise assembly today we are going to see how to make this set screw 2. For that, first open CATIA, then go on start, then mechanical design, and then part design. After that, right here set screw 2 and then click on OK. On this window you have to select any plane and then go on sketch option from here, and now use this profile command to make the sketch. So you can make it. I am making it step by step. You can also make it on with your own way. And this is how we have completed our sketch, and I am using now this constraint option to give dimensions to it. So distance between angle between this slant line with the vertical line, it is given as 60, and now distance between this point with this point is given as 18, and now distance between this vertical line with the vertical axis, it is given as 6 divided by 2, that is 3, and external point with the central axis, it is given as 13 divided by 2, that is 7.5, and now angle between this slant height with this vertical line on this side is given as 45. And this is how our whole sketch is in green color. So we can go on exit to workbench from here, and now use this shaft command to revolve it. So select the axis and then click on OK. This is how we have completed our halves assembly. Now you have to select any plane which will be vertical, and then go on the sketch option, and now use this center rectangle. So you can make one center rectangle from the center of this axis, and now use this constraint option. So give dimension here as 2, length is 2, and distance, now you can do one thing, drag it down, and now again use constraint option. Distance between this to this line, it is given as 2, and then click on OK. After that, go on exit to workbench, and now use this pocket command and take depth and whatever you want, and then again use mirror extend and click on OK. This is how we have completed our set screw 2. Thank you so much guys for watching this video.